It's a happy day, it's a happy night. Welcome to our channel, please subscribe. Ngayon po ay Saturday. Thank you sa lahat ng sumali sa aming live stream kagabi. Marami pong nanalo. Ibinalik ko po yung sa YouTube na paglilista. Pero instead of 500, it's 300 because they are not fully active yet watching our video. Okay, so we will see what will happen. We will be cooking
French toast.
French toast,
Vive la France!
eggs, milk, and butter to fry it. Let's do it.
You said,
Ron is helping me.
Maraming salamat!
He's my sous chef. But I will continue.
Maraming
Cooking.
salamat!
Okay?
Thank
Let's
you.
do it.
Thank you.
We have six eggs here. Kailangan papangan sa bulan. Sa bulan mo rin, Ebon. Maglalagay po tayo ng milk. Maglalagay din ako ng cinnamon para masarap ang ating French toast. Maganda rin po ang cinnamon sa ating katawan. Mix lang po. Mix. Pag na-mix na, pwede na po tayong magluto. At itong itlog, itong bread, ilalagay dito sa mixed eggs natin. Pinagsabay-sabay ko na. Lulutuin na po natin. Cooking na po ang ating French toast. Pag naluto na yung kabila, babalik na rin lang yan. Pwede nang kainin pag naluto na. Breakfast na.
Wait a minute, show the plate.
Rose
Show
French
the
toast.
plate.
Can I do this, please?
Show the plate.
You need to do that. Tigas ang ulo nitong alaga ko. Makulit. There's Ron. He's
There's
happy.
Ronald.
His French toast are ready. Okay, enjoy.
Maraming salamat!
Kulit! Ito po ang iinumin ko kasabay ng aking French toast. Yan po. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon tea bags. Breakfast na po tayo. Nakasilip kayo ng konting kakulitan ni Ron. Ganun po siya kakulit. Mahirap na siyang alagaan. Buti pa yung alaga baby. Sayawan ko lang. Tawa na siya ng tawa. Masaya kami. Ito si Ron ang maipilit. Ganun siya. Naglagay na po ako ng syrup. At let's enjoy. Thank you sa lahat ng sumali sa ating live stream kagabi. God bless us all. I love you all. Thank you. You're so very kind to us. Thank you. Happy day, happy night, happy life. Happy, peaceful, healthy, and blessed world to all. God bless us all. Let's have a blessed weekend. Let's eat.